What are you doing?
I'm setting up my external hone. So we're going from 3/8 down to a 1/4 inch size.
External hone.
Fancy word for saying money. This is probably a $500 setup.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
So what this will do, it will straighten the shaft and hone it, not polish it, but hone it to make it round. And it'll also leave marks so I can actually see where we're off quite a bit. Problem is I got no real way of holding this. So we're going to use the vertical mill. We use a vertical mill for everything in here. So we're going to hold it off the very tip of the shaft where the throttle lever would go, and I can hone everything else. Oop. Alright, what RPM are we at? Yeah, fast. We'll start out slow for once. This might just wad it all up and we can just throw it away for sure then. If it digs in, that's what exactly what will happen. These things will just fold up on you and be done. See how tight that is right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's the kind of thing that happens when you get down to here. It folds it up and takes it away from you. Alright, let's see what happens here. Alright.
Your Tatro's just honed the throttle shaft. Looks smooth.
Well, it's very smooth, but it's not necessarily super straight because it's over a long distance. And this is all undersized through here, so the hone doesn't really work there. Plus I was going pretty slow, so it's not going to take much metal off, but we don't want to take much metal off.
No, you don't want an intake leak.
We want it to work. Still doesn't fit. Don't surprise me. I still don't see any kind of a high mark. So how tight that is.
Is that too tight?
Oh yeah, I can barely shove it through.
Really?
That's our working areas right here. Yeah, this one just isn't cooperating at all. Alright, let's go try another one, see what happens. Okay, here's a brand new one. And see, it's the same. It's even worse.
It's even worse. Use the old one.
So that means these bushings are not in here very square, which doesn't surprise me any.
But didn't you hone it?
You can only hone one side at a time. You can't really do a line hone across the both surfaces. They're actually squared up.
Oh, okay.
So let me go see about some reamers.
The reamer and Tatro's got in the throttle shaft bushings.
Yeah, you can hear the high spot in there, but
Yeah.
same thing. It hits in one area, but you can't do much about fixing it. Alright, let's go connect my drill and spin it for a while, see what happens.